Hey there, superstars. Welcome back to Mana's Bitcoin Academy, your ultimate YouTube home for fun, simple, and empowering crypto education made just for English-speaking students and total newcomers. Whether you're a curious college kid, a high schooler dreaming big, or someone who's never touched crypto before, we've got your back. We turn complicated stuff into exciting, bite-sized knowledge that actually sticks, so you can feel confident stepping into this amazing world of digital money. If you love learning and growing with us, do me a huge favor. Smash that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a single high-energy deep dive designed to launch your crypto journey. Today's video is going to be an absolute blast, a full 20-minute motivational ride packed with inspiration and real lessons. The title? Everything you need to know about Brian Armstrong, co-founder and CEO of Coinbase. Are you ready to get fired up? Because I am. Brian Armstrong's story is proof that one curious mind plus hard work plus big vision can change how millions of people around the world interact with money. Let's dive in with massive smiles, unstoppable energy, and turn this into your personal roadmap for crypto success. Woohoo! First off, who is Brian Armstrong? Born on January 25, 1983, in San Jose, California, Brian grew up in the heart of Silicon Valley during the exciting dot-com boom. Both his parents were engineers. Dad worked with computers, Mom was an environmental engineer. That tech-filled home sparked something special in young Brian. He was the kind of kid who loved building things, solving problems, and dreaming about the future. He attended Bellarmine College Preparatory, a top high school, where his passion for technology really took off. Then he headed to Rice University in Texas, where he earned not one, not two, but 3 degrees, a bachelor's in computer science, a bachelor's in economics, and a master's in computer science. Talk about a powerhouse brain. During college, he even interned at IBM and worked in risk management at Deloitte. He was already thinking like a future leader. After graduation, Brian didn't just sit still. He co-founded universitytutor.com, an online tutoring platform, while still in school. Later, he worked as a software engineer at Airbnb, helping build features and fight fraud. But deep down, he had that entrepreneur fire burning bright. He wanted to create something that could truly change the world. Then, around 2010 to 2011, Brian discovered Bitcoin. He read the famous Bitcoin white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, that groundbreaking document that explained a new kind of money not controlled by any government or bank. At first, it seemed complicated, but Brian dove deep. He saw the huge problems with traditional money: slow international transfers, high fees, and lack of access for billions of people. He thought, what if we could make buying and selling Bitcoin as easy as sending an email? In 2012, at just 29 years old, Brian took the leap. He quit his job at Airbnb, joined the famous startup accelerator Y Combinator, and co-founded Coinbase with Fred Ehrsam, a former Goldman Sachs trader. They started super small, basically in a 2-bedroom apartment, with one simple goal: make crypto accessible to everyone. Their first product, a super easy way for regular people to buy Bitcoin using their bank account or credit card. Friends, imagine this. Bitcoin was trading for just a few dollars back then, and almost nobody outside tech circles had heard of it. But Brian believed in the mission with all his heart. Coinbase launched in June 2012, and it quickly became the go-to on-ramp for newcomers. No complicated wallets or scary tech, just a clean, trustworthy website and app that felt safe and simple. The growth was incredible. Coinbase focused on being compliant with regulations from day one, which helped it earn trust in the United States and beyond. They added more coins over time, Ethereum, and eventually hundreds of others. They built a wallet, a pro trading platform called Coinbase Pro, now Advanced Trade, staking, NFTs, and even institutional services for big companies and funds. By 2021, Coinbase made history. It went public through a direct listing on Nasdaq under the ticker COIN, one of the biggest moments in crypto history. The company was valued at tens of billions, and Brian's vision had turned into a global powerhouse. Today, in 2026, Coinbase serves over 100 million verified users in more than 100 countries. It holds hundreds of billions in assets and is the largest US-based crypto exchange, plus one of the biggest Bitcoin custodians in the world. What makes Coinbase so special for beginners like you? It's designed with newcomers in mind. The interface is friendly, educational resources are built in, and they offer tools to learn while you earn. They've expanded into stablecoins like USDC, which they helped create, which act like digital dollars that are super useful for payments and earning interest. In 2025-2026, Coinbase has been pushing hard to become the everything exchange, a one-stop financial app where you can trade crypto, stocks, commodities, prediction markets, and more, all in one place. They're also building on their own Layer 2 blockchain called Base to make transactions faster and cheaper. Brian himself has become one of the most influential voices in crypto. He's a huge advocate for clear, smart regulation that protects users while letting innovation flourish. He's spoken out about the importance of economic freedom, decentralization, and bringing the next billion people into crypto. He's even co-founded Research Hub to accelerate scientific discovery using crypto incentives. And yes, Brian's hard work paid off big time. His net worth has fluctuated with the markets, as it does for many in this space, but he's been estimated in the billions thanks to his stake in Coinbase. Now, let's get to the really exciting part, the powerful lessons from Brian Armstrong's journey that will supercharge your crypto education. Lesson 1. Start with curiosity and deep learning. Brian didn't jump in blindly. He read the Bitcoin white paper multiple times, implemented parts of it, and truly understood the technology and economics behind it. For you, my amazing students, never be afraid to ask questions or read original sources. Start small, learn what Bitcoin really is, why it's called digital gold, and how blockchain works like a public, unbreakable ledger. Knowledge is your superpower. Lesson 2. Solve real problems for real people. Coinbase wasn't built to get rich quick. It was built to fix painful problems, expensive wire transfers, limited access to global finance, and confusing tech. Brian focused on making crypto simple and safe so everyday folks like you could participate. When you invest or build in crypto, always ask, how does this help people? How does it create real value? Lesson 3. Build with integrity and long-term vision. From the beginning, Coinbase prioritized compliance, security, and trust. They survived multiple market crashes called crypto winters because they played the long game. Brian has emphasized staying apolitical in the workplace while advocating for good policy in Washington. For beginners, choose projects and platforms that are transparent. Always remember, not your keys, not your coins. Use Coinbase to buy, but learn to move your crypto to your own secure wallet for true ownership. Lesson 4. Embrace resilience and keep building through ups and downs. Crypto is volatile. Prices go up and down like a wild roller coaster. Coinbase has seen massive booms and tough times, yet it keeps innovating, diversifying revenue with subscriptions like Coinbase One, stablecoins, and new products. In 2025, they doubled trading volume and market share in many areas while pushing the everything exchange vision. Brian's message? Stay focused on the mission. The technology is still early. We're in the internet in the 1990s phase of crypto. Lesson 5. Think big and inspire others. Brian wants Coinbase to be the #1 financial app in the world and to help onboard the next billion users. He talks about how crypto can bring economic freedom to people everywhere. You can start small today. Buy your first tiny bit of Bitcoin or Ethereum, learn about self-custody, and share what you learn with friends. Every new learner makes the whole ecosystem stronger. My incredible Manners Bitcoin Academy family, Brian Armstrong's story shows that ordinary curiosity combined with extraordinary persistence can create something that touches millions of lives. You're not too late, you're not too young, and you're definitely not too inexperienced. The crypto world needs bright, ethical, educated people just like you to build the future. This journey is filled with opportunity, but always remember to start safe. Use reputable platforms, never invest more than you can afford to learn with. Do your own research, DYOR, and keep learning every single day. If this deep dive fired you up, give it a massive thumbs up. Comment below with your biggest takeaway from Brian's story and tell me what topic you want next. How to buy your first Bitcoin safely, or what is a crypto wallet and why you need one. Share this video with your classmates or anyone curious about crypto so we can grow this amazing learning community together.